And we're live. Welcome guys, my name is Stef and this is my video about crypto trading and also analyzing the cryptocurrency market. Today we are the 12th of this 24th of December 2019 and we're trading the cryptocurrency market. And right now there are so many alerts firing on my Drag-Do app. I recommend this app if you're trading, and this is what I'm seeing on the charts. So currently Bitcoin is in a inside bar. This is the mother bar, this is the inside bar. If Bitcoin closes below this bar, so let's say this bar, the probability to go to this side are much lower than to the upside. On the 4 hour there was a clear bearish divergence. On the 4 hour we had a huge rejections to the upside, and then the bears tried and went the price went lower. There was a huge rejection at the 200 EMA, and currently Bitcoin is sitting between the 55 and the 200 EMA on the 4 hour chart. DeepSAR is also bearish, and if you're trading for patterns, this is a descending pattern, probably a falling wedge. And if you want to trade this, you want to have a breakout of this level 7,352, and your target for that will be from the range low to the range high, and the point of breakout 7,850. So that's for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently in a falling wedge pattern. If Bitcoin breaks below 7,100, then the probability of going bullish is much lower, because the next support is below 6,800. So if you want to trade this, you want to go long from here, let's say, and your stop loss would be right here, 7,100, and your target will be $7,800. And if you were short from here, I would be from right here, because this was a inside bar pattern and it went lower. And if you're short, I will cover my short right here, because let's see how much you gain. You gain 3%, because this was the previous consolidation pattern and it went higher, and Bitcoin must go above this 7,300 level so to remain bullish. Right now on the 4 hour we're in a neutral zone. On the RSI there is no kind of divergence. Let's see, there is some kind of divergence. We have a, let's see where it is. Here we have a lower higher low, and this is a lower low, but the indicator says a higher low, and this is a clear bullish divergence. So probably there is some kind of hope for the bulls right now, but for this to be confirmed it needs to go above 7,350. Let's go to ETH. ETH also is in some kind of consolidation pattern. If ETH holds this $125, the probability of going higher is much higher. Right now there is some kind of bullish divergence on the 4-hour, bullish confluence, because we have a low and a higher low, and the indicator confirms that low. So if this is a bullish trade, it needs to go above this price, and then the resistance of this, we go on the weekly. The resistance for this is this point 140. The momentum of the indicators are going on the positive side, and yeah, I'm probably will be buying Ethereum at $103, because this was the previous low. And let's go on the monthly to see even if this low is let's see if this low holds, that would be a higher low than this on the monthly, and the probability to go higher are much percentage wise more probable than going lower. But it needs to hold this level 103. Let's see if we have any suggestions. So other coins, let's go to other coins. Other coins that can we look: XRP, USD. This coin I'm currently short, and I can tell you why. So yeah, if we look at this pattern, this is a consolidation pattern, and I shorted from this level 19. I saw it on, yeah, I saw as this previous bar close at 193 something 10, and yeah, the next level to watch for this coin, let's see on the monthly. So yeah, probably there are interested buyers here, because after that there is no support. Maybe we can see on the other exchange, maybe on Poloniex. Yeah, so let's see on the weekly, because this is very long term. So on the weekly, I see this level as key support. On the momentum, there is some kind of bullish divergence. So yeah, if you're a buyer for this coin, I will watch this level, because it was a consolidation and it went parabolic. So if XRP wants to remain bullish, it needs to hold $1.143 $1.4, excuse me, or 14 cents. The next coin is Link, or no, Link. Let's see, Link BTC. So yeah, currently Link is in a very interesting situation. This is a good support and probable buy zone, maybe. But this was a, if Link wants to be bullish, it needs to close above this high, and if it goes below this high, 24862. The probabilities is that the next level of support is this one. So yeah, if you're short on this, let's see if it breaks this level, how much gain. So yeah, this is a great risk to reward ratio, and because it's 1 to 2. But if you want to look for a higher probable trade, maybe you should take this level as a short, and currently there is no indication of sellers that are exhaustion because the momentum is going lower. Let's go to another coin that is currently trading, Atom BTC. Atom, I had it charted something like this, and I didn't took the trade, so dumb. This was a clear bullish bet. Yeah, bullish Gartley bet, I don't know, harmonic trade, and it is the best trade that you probably have made. Currently sitting on 0.618. The RSI is going higher, the momentum is also going higher. No indication of bearish divergence on the 4-hour. On the daily, yeah, there's some kind of loss of momentum, bearish divergence on the daily, but there is not an indication on the RSI. So maybe the target for this is 0.618. So if you're long from this, yeah, if you're long from here, I was long from here, your target will be here, and the risk for this is below the current open price above 5823. So that's about Atom. Let's see if there are some comments. Okay, no comments, but there are other coins to trade, like BET. I made some trade on BET, basic attention token. So currently, if BET closes above this inside bar, there is indication of much higher prices, and probably this is let's say this is a bullish falling wedge. It needs to break out. Also, there is indication of bullish divergence on the momentum. We have a lower low, but the indicator says a higher low. And also, if this is breaking, the next major resistance is this. So if this was a bullish bet, no, it's not a bullish bet yet. The bullish bet is 0.8x6, so somewhere here. And this is if this coin closes above this, then your target probably will be this. So let's put a finish line here, and let's see if this closes above this candle. So, and your position for this is a long, and the previous close, and your target will be this. Also, there was a XMR breakout, XMR BTC, but it rejected the price, and it was also a bullish bet. Is there some kind of indication of bullish divergence? No, so probably not a great trade. So if we see, this was a clear bullish bet. We have a B, a C, and a completion of the D leg, and the target for this is from the swing high. So your next resistance is 6754, and your next target is 0.618. So if you're a trader and you want to of the harmonics pattern, there is no kind of indication of bullish divergence yet on the daily. Let's see on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, there is a clear signs of bearish divergence. So this is for me a no trade zone, and probably it will go lower if it closes below 6,300 Satoshi. But let us see with some other perspective. If this is a bullish bet, it needs to, your target is right here. The first target is here, and the second target is right there. Let's put some notes. Long position, 6,000. I'm long from here, so yeah, something like this. 6574. That's a great risk to reward ratio. Also, I am short on EOS BTC, but currently there is some kind of indication of bullish trend change. On the daily, we clearly see there was a breakout from this level. It didn't went below this low. So if you put a short from here, you will be stop out because this is going higher. But probably it will be something like bearish flag, something like this. And it will go lower. And if we go on the weekly, we can see that currently this is a inside bar pattern. So if this goes above this high 3601, it can go even higher. The next probable zone is this. But if we chart as a harmonic, we see there is a clear sign of bullish butterfly for this pattern. Any other questions? If there are no questions, let's see what Bitcoin does. I can show you what are my positions right now. Let's go on Binance. As you can see, I trade a lot, and currently I'm short on XRP. Why? As I said, if XRP closes below this low, the probability of XRP going lower is higher than going higher. So XRP needs, there is some kind of bullish divergence, but yeah, the trend is your friend, and now XRP is in bearish. There is some kind of bearish divergence. BNB went, there is some indication that BNB is going higher. Also BNB I'm short, and my indication for that is because we have a clear breakdown of this level, and but on the 4-hour maybe there was some bullish divergence, and yeah, there was some kind of bullish divergence. But if this if this wants to be bullish, it needs to go higher than this. So if this goes higher, it will go like 2% higher, and maybe there will be re-evaluation. Let's go and see what are my positions on my margin. So today I'm down $20. Maybe because I'm short on EOS, and EOS right now is not doing great. But as you know, losses are losses. You need to go, you need to learn from your losses, and you need to manage risk. And if you manage risk, you will be much better than going against the trend. What's next? Wallet. Yeah, margin wallet. Margin. So yeah, currently these are my coins. I'm short on IOST also. Let's see IOST. IOST Tetherus. So currently IOST is making a great candle for a reversal candle. Is there some kind of bullish divergence? Yes, but there is no indication of going higher, and probably this will be a push bet. So if this coin wants to go bullish, the trend right now is bearish, but there are some kind of indication of going higher. The RSI is in neutral zone, and right now there is, if it needs to break this high. So if it wants to remain higher, if you want to see why, this is a key level of support, now turn to resistance, and if it closes below this high, then the probabilities of going lower are much higher than going higher. And this is a clear bear head and shoulders, maybe with a possibility. Let's clear some not yet confirmed. So if this goes below this low, your target will be from this high to this high, from this high to this low. It will be probably enormous. So yeah, not bullish on this coin. probably I should close the EOS trade because yeah, I closed 330 EOS, which is about, how much is that? EOS 300. Yeah, EOS 330 330 EOS price. How much is that? $600. So about $700 of contracts. But I have stop loss of EOS BTC. I believe that this is a clear bear channel, and yeah, currently there is some indication of going higher, but probably I should close the trade and wait for trend reversal, because this is from my strategy, this is a clear long opportunity. But let's see if there is some kind of bearish divergence building on the 4-hour. So if there is some kind of bearish divergence, I will short it. Right now, let's go on Bitcoin or Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Right now, Bitcoin is, as I said, there was some kind of bullish divergence building, and this is a clear sign of a reversal pattern, hammer. So as I said, it needs to go above this. If the next candle goes above this, your target will be 7,800. Let's see other coins. EOS we saw. Let's see some other coins. Which coins? Yeah, I'm long also on VT, USD. So is there some kind of bearish divergence? Yet, yes, there is. But if we look on the daily, we are clearly above 50. So there's so much room for bullish divergence, for going higher. But there is some indication that right now the trend is stagnating, probably, because there on the 4-hour we haven't seen some kind of seller exhaustions like this. But if it goes, if it needs to break above this high, and I think I bought some coins from let me see where I bought it. Margin, trade history, VT. So I bought at 597. 597. Let's see where that is. 597. It's from this. So 597. That's 2%. Let's see on the 1-hour if there's some kind. So yeah, currently it's in a consolidation pattern. I bought 597. Where is 597? Probably here somewhere. I bought it because this is a clear bullish consolidation, but also if you look at some kind of if you look, this is a clear rising wedge pattern, but for this to be confirmed, it needs to break 591920. Yeah, these coins are probably how do I say, very confusing to manage. So yeah, currently on the 1 hour, closing above 50, so there is indication of there is some indication that this is going higher, probably to, let's see where, probably to this zone. Let's see on the daily, much closer. So your next probable zone for long is this zone. If we go on the weekly, we can see why there was a clear, this is a clear indication of clear support. And yeah, so I'm going long from this 597 to, that's 7 to 8% gain, and probability of going higher, maybe it needs to close above this high, and if it closes above this high, where's next is this. So those are the zones to watch. On the weekly, we don't have no signs of bearish exhaustion above 50. On the daily is going much higher, and yeah, so my long position from this is something like, no, short, that's short, let's go long. So yeah, something like that. And as you can see, I had a signal about this. This was a clear, I thought it was a butterfly or something. You have on my trading view, you can see my trading view, and go on my trading view and you will see what I post. My trading view is crypto Stef, and as you can see, we can go on my profile, and this was a great trade. I didn't take, I took, but probably I should took the trade more serious. And right now on the daily, on the 4 hour, we have some kind of reversal doji. Any other questions? Also, as you can see, I'm a harmonic trader, and this is a clear bullish divergence. This is a clear bullish butterfly, and yeah, you can see on my page, follow me on CryptoStef on tradingview.com and leave a like. Also, if you can see, I have this is also a probability reversal zone on EOS, and that's why I'm short. But yeah, you don't know, market is very you should adapt. You shouldn't be always going by the book. If the market is going against you, I closed 50% of my position, so I'm 3% profitable right now, and the other is not profitable. And as you can see, I bought VT at 70, at 69, and if I held, that will be a great trade, but who knew? I should have proper not risk management. I should put some thought in my trading, and this was also a losing trade, a V-chain trade. But part of trading is losing, and that's that. You must learn. Let's see if you have any questions. So if you don't have any questions, that is my positions right now. Currently long on Bitcoin and short on alts. Which alts I want to trade right now? Maybe, yeah, there are many coins right now, like Atom, which is also in some kind of, I sold 50% of my trade, but yeah, after this I will say that Atom is currently in some kind of bullish consolidation, and it will go higher. And that's that for streaming today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Bye.